Hello, Washington Middle School families. This is Mrs. Benson with a couple of updates. We're getting a lot of questions and calls from the school with parents wondering how they can best support their children and really how they know if their children are getting their work done. So I wanted to put a little video together just to show you how you can quickly check if your child is getting their work done. Have them show you their iPad and pull up their Google Classroom. Now they'll have multiple classes, so all of their classes will be in the 3 lines on the side, so you can look through each classroom separately. Now I know Mr. Kathman put together a video that showed you how to find the classwork, so you'll want your child to show you their classwork. This is the stream. So again, the stream looks more like a Facebook scrolling of announcements, but the classwork tab is where you can see if your child has completed their work. Now when you click on their classwork tab, you'll see a bunch of assignments and these circles with these little clipboards or a question mark. The circles, if they are a solid color, like this one is orange, means that your child has not completed that yet. If it is gray, it means that they have completed that assignment. So every evening you can have your child show their Google Classroom with the classwork tab and show you the gray circles, mean they've done things. Some of the teachers have organized it by weeks, so you can see in week 1 what they should have completed, 3, 4, and that is the way to check and see if they're up to date and following where they should be. One thing to watch out for, however, is if your child shows you all gray circles and you get a phone call from your child's teacher saying they haven't done anything. That could be correct because your child can simply click on the assignment, and this one tells me I need to do an assignment on Edpuzzle, but I can still mark it as done as a student and say, yep, I'm done. However, the teacher will see on this website that I haven't done my assignment. And you may be getting a phone call from your child's teacher saying that they haven't done it, even if it shows up in the classwork tab that they have completed it as gray. As always, please call us at the school if you have any questions. A lot of times what we can do is put you and your child on speakerphone, and if you have the iPad right in front of you, we can walk you right through it to help you get a better understanding of what is to be done and how to know if your child's up to date. But again, the school number is 483-4413, and you'll get a hold of Mrs. Emerson. You can also email either one of us at the school. Our emails are on the school website, and we can give you a call at your convenience as well. Thank you and good luck. We miss everyone.